Playing with shapes. What is our chapter? Playing with shapes. You know shapes? What shapes you know? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay, see here children. Here, what do you observe in this picture too? What do you observe? 3 children are played. One grandmother is talking only, okay? With children too. See here now. Sujata and Vani and Gautam were playing. Ludo is play. They are playing Ludo. Grandmother, she is talking now with children too. Okay, what she asking? Why are you all wasting time? You should be studying. Why are you wasting time? You should studying. Vani said we are learning maths while playing with the toys. Vani saying we are learning maths while playing with the toys. They are learning maths. Why? The next day to the teacher gave this problem to Vani in class. Match this. Cut out of the toys. Cut out of the dice. You know dice? In Ludo game to having this dice, you know. With the actual dice, try yourself. See here. In dice too, this like only having numbers. In how many sides? 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides to having numbers. In one side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that only. It's like only having. So you observe this. So a dice is which shape is this dice? A dice is a cube shaped. A dice is a cube shaped dice. Observe children, dice to observe. See here now. Activity. 3 nets have been given below. Trace them on paper. Cut along the dark lines. Which of these nets can be folded into cube shaped figures? See here, cube shaped figures. You can fold it. It's like will only coming. See here, observe this all. Okay, do this here also. Look at the given nets, tick right. The ones that can be folded into a cube. See here. Can be folded? Yes, folded only. This one only folded. So which one is folded or which one is not folded? Tick ones that can be folded means tick ones. Now draw a different nets that can be folded into a cube in your notebook. Draw a different nets. Okay, this is the one of the net. This is the one of the nets. So you draw different types of nets and fold it into a cube. Okay, into a cube. Also draw a net that will not give you a cube. Okay, now see, observe here. Can you draw shapes on these dots? See here, draw squares, rectangles and triangles of different sizes by joining the dots. given below one has done for you. See here, I am giving one example. So take some, I am taking this like only. Which shape will come? Rectangle shape. Suppose more will take also. See here. Here to observe. More dots will taking a. It is also triangle. Understand, children? Here also when one triangle will come. Understand? Here. Understand? You draw this in the page number 68 to you draw the like pictures only, squares and what shapes you know you draw. Okay, playing with shadows. See, try this also. You keep one book, torch it, and shadow will different only. See here. Do this. Can you match the shadows with the objects? Remember what Vani said, that two different objects, many have similar shadows. See here. Here giving 10 rupees note, jug, ball, apple, one ring or whatever. This ball, and here brick, matchbox, shoe, 1 rupee coin, one bottle, one window or whatever that one. So now let it be matched. Shadows match it. Okay. 10 rupees note, shadow, rectangle shape only. This like will come. Jug, shadow. Here, yes, spear, apple, ball, sorry, this one, ball, same. Next here, this one, rectangle, and bottle, coin, circle shape, shoe shadow is there only. Next this matchbox, which shape? Next this one, brick, rectangle shape. So observe children here, and 10 rupees note, and this one, and matchbox, and brick. Also brick shadow is same, rectangle shape only. Here ball, and this one, and football also. These three, and 1 rupee coin also same, shadow is same, circle shape only. Understand? You observe it? Okay, now I am saying shapes, spelling. How many shapes you know? I am asking now. Spellings also I am given now. Let's now write all of you. Okay? Children now. So I am asking spellings of the shapes. So say all of you different shapes only. See here, first one. Say square shape, spelling SQUARE. square. Square, square. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Third one, circle. You know all of you children. Fourth one, I am giving examples also. First of all, you write the spelling. Afterwards, I am giving example also. Circle, triangle, triangle, cube, cuboid, cylinder. Already you learn in fourth class this shapes. Cylinder. I recall only. Cone and sphere. See children, now I am saying spelling of the shapes. Square shape spelling S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. C-U-B-E, cube. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. C-O-N-E, cone. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay children? I am saying now spellings of these shapes. See, now I am asking question. Square. Square have how many sides? 4 sides and all sides are equal. Square has 4 sides, all sides are equal. Okay? Now rectangle. Same. Rectangle is 4 sides, 2 opposite sides only equal. Circle. Circle has no side. Circle has no side. There are no side. No. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Here cube. Cube is different only. Dice, you know. Dice. Before only saying dice. Cube. Like example of cube. Dice is an example of cube. See children. This is cube is similarly square shape only, but not square. See once. Cube is a 3-dimensional shape. Cube and cuboid, cylinder, these are cone, sphere. These are 3-dimensional shapes, 3D shapes. Understand children? Suppose you are saying, you are observing only dice. See, one side will say means one number will come, one dot. And next side see means next another number. In all sides are square only. In all sides are square shape only having. Understand? In cube has 6 faces. Look like similar square, but cube has 6 faces and all faces are equal. Cube has 6 faces and all faces are equal. Here cuboid. Cuboid also same. Same rectangle. Look like a rectangle. Cuboid has look like a rectangle. In cuboid as a look like rectangle. Cuboid has how many sides? 6 sides. I am giving some example for cuboid. See here. See, this is cuboid shape. How many faces is there? 6 faces. Observe 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces. But all faces are equal? No, it's different only. So how many faces are there? Cuboid. Cuboid is how many faces are there? 6 faces. How many? 6 faces. So all faces are equal. Here all faces are equal. Say all of you. No, it's different only. See, it's similarly. It's look like rectangle shape. See, here observe. It's look like rectangle shape. Understand children? It's look like rectangle shape. Which one? Cuboid look like rectangle shape. Cuboid. This is 3D shape. Understand children? This is 3D shape. And duster also same. Duster also same. Which shape is this? Rectangle shape. No, look like rectangle shape, but this is cuboid shape. See, industrial also same. 6 faces. You observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Industrial also 6 faces. Your book also same. You observe it. Okay. So cuboid has 6 faces and look like rectangle, but all faces are not equal. Understand? The square has 4 sides. All sides are equal. In rectangle has 4 sides, but opposite sides only equal. You remember it, okay? Don't confuse. Here also 4, here also 4. Same. Here also 6 faces. Cube also 6 faces. Cuboid also 6 faces. But and tomorrow class 2 I am explaining. Sorry. Next class 2 I am explaining only this cube and cuboid two different sets. In 6 faces, cube having 6 faces, cuboid having 6 faces. Same. But all faces in cube to equal. Cuboid to not equal. All faces are equal. Here this much only big. This side small. So not equal only. This is cuboid shape. Next cylinder shape. You know cylinder shape? You know children cylinder shape? See, observe this chart. Which shape is this? Which shape? Cylinder shape. See. Which shape is this? Cylinder shape. Understand children? Which shape is this? Cylinder shape. Example, chalk piece and pipe and cylinder also. Bottles. So many examples in there. Cylinder. Cone. You know cone shape? You are all eat cone ice cream. Which shape having? That. This shape only cone ice cream. Next, birthday hat. Hat also which shape? This also cone shape. Understand? Children, you observe circle is this shape only. But I am saying only this. See here, this one also same. Balls and this football also will shadow will same, but things are very different. The shapes also different only. So this one sphere is sphere shape. Ball is a sphere shape. Example, ball. Ball is a sphere shape. Or football or any ball. Ball and marble. Marble also sphere shape. Understand children? So you observe it, okay? This cube and cuboid, these are here to 3D shapes. 3D shape, 3-dimensional shapes. Here 2D shapes only. Understand children? You observe it. First of all, you write this all spellings. You write first. Write proper way. Completed all of you? Now see activity. Completed this? See here now. Next one, page number 72. Page number 72. You observe it. Activity. Take a bangle and draw the one paper. See here. One paper. Holding only. Like hold it and do. Okay. Afterwards came just like holding after. So you observe, children, this is called radius. This line is called ear to ear and ear to ear, ear to ear, ear to ear. This line is called radius. This line is called radius. You observe, children, first do this. Stick right the circle with the longer radius. Circle with the longer radius. Which one is having? You keep right tick. Do these problems to having? You keep right tick only. The radius, which like will? First of all, this like having and small circle is there. So this like will having. So you give, first of all, draw the line. Here also draw the line and you observe this. Understand, children? You observe how many centimeters will come. You find them. Keep scale here to here. Find them and write. Okay? Right, children? Here write. Fill in the blank to write. Which one is longer? You keep writing. Next, tangram. Next to tangrams is given here. Suppose, understand, children, this is radius. You count it. You keep scale and find it. Okay, see now, children, activity. First of all, divide, take square shape and fold it and again see. Then divide each of these parts into 4 more equal parts. See here, this way we will divide it. We get a grid with 16 equal squares. Draw dot line on the grid as shown. See, here 16 equal squares. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 equal squares only came. See here, observe it. Which line given? In dark line is there. Here to here and here to here. Here to next here to this line only given. Understand? Dark line is given. Page number 73. Page number 73. Here having first one. Triangle shape only having. First one observe. Triangle shape. Second also triangle shape. Third and fourth also triangle shape. Fifth one. See, you observe this red color having grid too. You observe this. Seventh one. It's like only having. You observe it here. See. 1, 2, 3. It's like only. Fifth one. Understand? Sixth one also is there. So children, you observe this all. Okay. Put carefully along the dot lines. This is our tangram set. What is this? Tangram set. Tangram set. Tangram. We made the tangrams. How many triangles are there? See how many triangles are there. Let's find 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's now find it. Okay? You find it and say. Okay? Next one. All the pieces of tangram can be used to make different shapes. A triangle and a rectangle have been made below. See, in rectangle shape too also. Triangle shape too also different. Okay. This way. See, this like okay. Rectangle shape too. This like only given. Okay. Now you make some other shapes using all the pieces of tangram. This is all the pieces of tangram too. You take other one. Okay. First of all, you observe this. Observe it. Observe it, children. Okay. Remaining tangrams too. Next class too. I am explaining only. You do this. Okay, children.